Thanks, Dave. Well, new tonight, people across the Lowcountry could see some major price hikes in their insurance premiums this upcoming year. Unfortunately, hospitals already sounding the alarm as Republican lawmakers doubled down on removing tax credits from the Affordable Care Act. Our Cameron Limes has been following the story and speaking with members on both sides of the aisle. So, Cam, what do these new prices look like?
Tessa, these premiums are going to rise throughout the state, and according to experts, District 5 would actually see the most dramatic increase, with certain groups potentially seeing a 316% uptick in their premiums.
Over 600,000 South Carolinians have a plan that include these tax subsidies. Over 100,000 South Carolinians are at risk of losing their insurance.
Across the Lowcountry, thousands of participants under the Affordable Care Act could see their premiums spike this upcoming year.
Right now, we expect an average of a 114% increase in what those folks are paying for their health insurance next year.
Republican lawmakers pushing back, claiming the program was a waste of taxpayer dollars.
And if we do this right, I think we'll get some Democrats who support it. Because President Obama promised a $2,500 reduction in everybody's premiums for a family of four.
If the tax credit extension is not passed in a vote by Republicans in December, a family of four making $80,000 a year would see their premiums increase from $16 a month to $140 a month in South Carolina. Republican lawmakers claim the loss of the program would create a more competitive market.
We're working on a proposal to take the money that would have gone to insurance companies, flow it directly to consumers, so they can buy health care at a better price and get a better outcome.
For South Carolinians who are a part of the ACA, experts say it's time to start looking for options.
I think that as we go through open enrollment, families are going to have to make hard choices. What I would expect to see is those folks who know that they are sick and will need that health coverage, they are going to be buying their insurance. And that might mean they're giving up other things in their monthly household budget.
And this will also impact the private sector. According to multiple experts, hospitals will have to charge private insurance even more for the loss in revenue from those who are no longer insured, meaning higher premiums for private insurance and more expensive doctor visits. Working for you, Cameron Limes, News 4.